Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, we're making garlic herb lamb chops with a delicious red wine reduction sauce. This dish is perfect for a special dinner or when you want to impress some guests, and it comes together in less than 30 minutes. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need for the lamb chops: 2 lamb chops, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary, 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme, and salt and pepper. For the red wine sauce, 1 cup of red wine, half a cup of beef stock, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 shallot, and salt and pepper. We'll start prepping our aromatics by finely mincing our garlic. Then we'll strip the rosemary leaves off of the woody stems. Now chop that fresh rosemary as best you can. We'll prep our thyme the same way, stripping the leaves off of the woody stems. Let's prep the shallot that will be in the sauce. We'll give it a fine mince. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh rosemary, and 1 tablespoon of thyme. Don't forget a generous pinch of salt and freshly cracked pepper. Give it a quick mix to make sure all of the ingredients are combined. Rub this mixture all over the lamb chops. The garlic and herbs are going to infuse these chops with so much flavor. Now let them marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. After marinating, it's time to sear the lamb. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Place the lamb chops in the skillet and let them sear for about 3 minutes on each side for that medium-rare finish. Just look at that gorgeous crust. Once both sides are done, remove the lamb from the pan and let them rest for 5 minutes. This will lock in all those juices. To make the reduction sauce, lower the heat to medium and add 1 finely chopped shallot. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Next, pour in 1 cup of red wine and make sure to scrape all those flavorful bits from the bottom of the pan. This is where the magic happens. Let the wine reduce by about half, which should take around 5 to 7 minutes. Now, stir in half a cup of beef stock and let it reduce for another 5 minutes. Remove from heat and add in 2 tablespoons of butter to make the sauce smooth and shiny. Season with a little pepper and this sauce is good to go. Now add the chops back to the pan so they can be coated with that lovely sauce. You can serve this with roasted vegetables or mashed potatoes for a complete meal. And there you have it, perfectly seared lamb chops with a rich, savory red wine reduction sauce. This dish looks fancy, but it's so easy to make. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Really yummy. Really good.
It's super savory. It's so savory.